Okay, go.
Hi, now my name is Daniel. It says stars,
Just turn it around so I can see.
stars, and a fire truck.
Fire
and
truck?
A fire dog, and gingerbread man. They're chasing each other.
They're chasing each other? A fire dog and gingerbread man?
And they're running so fast. And they're trying, and they're racing to their house.
Oh, cool. I like that a lot.
Whoever wins gets to be a fire truck or a fire guy who comes in the house to get the girl.
And what is that you decorated that on?
On my Christmas, I'm gonna put in my Christmas tree.
No, Christmas mantle on the mantle.
I'm gonna put in my Christmas mantle.
And what are you going to put in there?
I'm gonna put some candy.
Oh, who's going to put candy?
Me.
Oh, okay. All right. Say see you later.
See you later.